This is Christy, and I wanted to go over some of the basics of how to work with the quantum wave laser because this is the question that most people have when they're first getting started. Um, it's just going to walk you through some of the simple things you need to get going. So the first thing is the light is going to go on and off when you turn this middle button. That's just your on and off button. And you're going to see some settings. If I get this set right, this middle button just turns it on and off. It's a little hard to see right now. There we go. So just on and off with the middle button. That's all it does. It says star. It does nothing more than turn it on or off. Once it turns on, you can see the different settings there. It says launch. This right button is the one that you're going to use, sort of like the return button on your computer, the return key. You want to activate something. Launch is where you're going to find all your different settings. So under Essentials, under Launch, you press it again. Now these are all your basic settings. Unwind, quantum, relieve, Pleo, activate, rejuve. And in the book it tells you, or in the PDF, whichever you got, what those different settings are for. So I can go up and scroll through each of the settings. If I want to then go and go back out of Essentials, and I go back out to Launch. See, I'm pushing this left button. So now when we get back to that main welcome page, there's an option there. It says Settings. We're just going to go to that. Press the right button to activate the settings. Yeah. So if I can get where this can be seen a little bit better. Having a problem with the lighting here. So we're going to go down to where it says Session, because that's the one most people want to change. It's set. Do you see it says 4 under Session? That means 4 minutes. First of all, before we do that, you can see up here it says battery. It's got 4 little bars. That means it's a fully charged unit. And it'll last a long time. It'll last, like a couple hours, which if you're only doing, 4-minute sessions, is going to be a long time. So if I go down, let's say I don't want a 4-minute session, I go down and choose session, and again, the right arrow. That's just saying I'm choosing that. And now I'm just going to enter on the number pad whatever I want. I'm going to say 20. So that's the maximum amount of minutes that you can have for a session is 20. Now that's set at 20, so now I'm going to go back with the left arrow, back up to my launch. And then I'm going to choose launch again, and there's Essentials. That's where all my programs are. So now when I choose one of the programs, the right arrow is always your choosing button. Now I've got the light coming out. And that's going to last for the 20 minutes. What you don't want to do is hit your middle button until you're totally done with your session, because that wipes out your program. It'll go right back to a 4-minute default. So let's say I don't want to do this program relieve anymore. I hit the other arrow, back arrow, the left one. And so, okay, let's scroll down and see what else we got. Activate, let's do that one. So the right arrow is going to say that's the one I'm choosing. And now I've got activate. And I can go back and just keep choosing different sessions, or not sessions, but different programs. So so you choose it through the right arrow. If you want to back out of it, the left arrow, you can scroll up or down to say what other options. Once you find one you like, the right arrow again. So that's how you work with that. If I turn it off and turn it back on, and I go again back into settings, you'll see under session, it's gone back to the 4 minutes. So that's why you don't want to use that on-off button until you're totally done. For the sound, mine is set at 0, which means I don't want to hear it go beep when it's done with the session. So if I wanted to hear it to remind me that it's off, I'd choose, you just get a 1 or a 0. Those are your only 2 options. So I just go back. I've chosen one. I back it out again. Go back up to launch. There's my essentials. I can choose my programs. So that's how simple it is. It seems a little bit complicated going through it the first time, but if you get used to it, so now you can hear it when it goes off, whereas before it didn't. So I'll show you how fast. There it is. I just changed the setting to 20 minutes, and now I'm on one of the programs, Unwind. So that's how fast that is once you get used to doing it. Now, let's say you don't care about changing the timing and you're all right with the 4-minute program. You just, a quick way, Unwind is your most common setting that you're going to use. It's the most common program. It's like hitting the reset button for the body. It just allows everything to clear out the stress, the imprints, all of that from the past to get you to kind of a baseline where you can start your session with whatever particulars you have. So the easy way to do that is you turn it on and you just keep hitting the right button until it goes on. That's all you have to do. I didn't even look at it. So you hit the right button until it goes to unwind. And I'll back it out so you see what that pattern looked like. Can't seem to get the lighting on this quite right. Oh well. We have to do this video again. There we go. So it was under Essentials, and then I went to Unwind. So going back to the beginning, again, the easy way to get to Unwind, you turn it on, and then you just hit the right arrow until the laser comes on. So you can see that button is kind of a pain. So I'm going to go back and show you again how to get rid of that button, that beep. Under Settings, I'm choosing it with the right arrow. I'm going to go down to the sound, choosing, and now I'm going to enter in a 0. Where's the 0? My glasses. There. Enter a 0 instead of the 1. And so now the sound is going to be, it's not going to beep on me. Why did it beep on me? Making a liar of me. Okay. Settings. Go down to Settings. Choose that. Go down to Sound. And instead of sound on, I want it off. Sound on. There we go. So now it's, you don't hear the beep anymore. So that's the basics about how to use the laser. It's very simple. The only thing you don't want to do is you don't want to point it in, look straight into it. You can do it in around your face and around the eye, but you don't want to stare right into the laser because it can damage the cornea.